Good morning, students. In the previous video, we already discussed about locus of a point. Then we are working out many problems based on the locus. Today also we are going to work out same type of problems. Read the question carefully. Find the locus of a point P that moves at a constant distance of. Question number 1. 2 units from the x-axis, another one 3 units from the y-axis. This is the given question. Now listen carefully. We have to form the locus of a point that moves at a constant distance of, question number 1, 2 units from the x-axis. Now listen this diagrammatic explanation. See x-axis, y-axis. It should be origin. Now 2 units from the x-axis. This is x-axis. From this I am taking a distance of 2 units. So now we have to draw a straight line. This is the locus of the point. It is moving. Now this point should be 0, 2. This point should be 0, 2. So this is said to be x-axis. Now listen carefully. Now we are selecting a point P. This point lies on this line 2 units from x-axis. So for example, I am selecting a point P of x1, y1. I am selecting a point P of x1, y1 that should be unknown. This point is a distance of 2 units from x-axis. We can select any point. So many points on this diagrammatic explanation. So I am selecting P of x1, y1. Now we have one more idea. From here also I am taking a 2 units distance from origin to this. This is also 2 units. But it should be lies on the negative direction of y. So it is y dash. For example, this point should be 0, -2. Now here we can select a point here also. We can select a point P of x1, y1. So now listen, 0, -2. Here 0, +2. This is a 2 units distance. Here also we can get distance must be a positive only. 2 units distance. This is also 2 units distance. Now this is the required equation of the line. These two lines parallel to x-axis. From your lower classes onwards, you already discussed about equation of a line parallel to x-axis. Then its equation must be y equal to plus or minus k. Y equal to plus or minus k. So we are selecting this distance 2 units. Here also 2 units distance. But it passing through 0, 2. It passing through 0, -2. Now this is a required equation of the line. So equation of these two lines parallel to x-axis, then the value of y equal to plus or minus k. Why we are selecting plus or minus k? For example, suppose the next point should be here. Consider like this. You are taking a point 1 units here. It should be 1, 2. Suppose we are selecting the second point, it should be 2, 2. Like this 3, 2. See here 2, the value of, here 2, 2. Okay. Here 3, 2. Okay. So here 1, 2. Here 2, 2. Write it clearly. 2, 2. Here 3, 2. Like this going on. See in all these points, the value of 2. That means the value of y 2. Here also value of y 2. Here also the value of y2. So on this line, y value is unaltered. The same way, suppose here you are selecting the first point. Here 1, -2. Here 2, -2. Like this going on. Consider this line. It passing through 1, -2, 2, -2. On this line, the value of y -2. the value of y minus 2, it is unaltered. The value of y is unaltered. Therefore, here positive 2, here negative 2, unaltered. Just we are selecting 2 here. Therefore, y equal to plus or minus 2. This is the required equation. So, dear students, very simple concept. Here you can select first, for example, here y1 equal to 2. Here y1 is also, but you are selecting a point, it should be negative. So y1 equal to plus or minus k. Instead of this y1, we can select the locus of the point. So locus of p of x1 comma y1 is y equal to plus or minus k. Instead of k, we are selecting the value 2. Here 2 units, here also 2 units. But here distance must be positive. Here we are selecting plus or minus means is 2. The value of y is positive. Here see minus 2, like that. So we can select y equal to plus or minus k. From your lower class onwards, we are already discussed equation of a line parallel to x-axis. In the same way, we are having one more equation, y, here 3 units from y-axis. Now listen to this diagram. The same concept we can select once again. The same question having one more. So just a rough diagram. X-axis, y-axis, origin. This is y-axis. Distance of 3 units from y-axis. So I can select a point 3 comma 0. In the same way, with the other side, I can select minus 3 comma 0. Then draw the line. See this one, 3 units from this y-axis. It is a straight line passing through. So I can select a point P of x1 comma y1. So distance from this point to y-axis is 3 units. So this is distance from y-axis. Suppose if you are selecting a point here, so that is also 3 units distance. But it lies in the positive direction, it lies in the negative direction. So we have to find the equation of the line 3 units from y-axis. Here also the line 3 units from the y-axis. But one side we are having a positive, here negative. Therefore, equation of the line. See these two dotted lines parallel to y-axis. Then x equal to, we can already worked out x equal to plus or minus k. Now listen, x equal to plus or minus k. Here positive 3, here negative 3. That is distance is 3 units. So this is the equation of the line parallel to y-axis. How we are getting plus or minus k? See here 3 comma 0. The second immediate, the first 1 unit is 3 comma 1. So suppose you are selecting 2 units, 3 units like this. Here 3 comma minus 1. In this straight line, the value of x is unaltered. See here the value of x. Instead of 3, we can use x equal to k. This is the value of x is unaltered. In the same way, here we can say 3 comma minus 3 comma 1, then minus 3 comma 2, like this. Here minus 3 comma minus 1, minus 3 comma minus 2. Here see the value of x is unaltered, its value is minus 3. Therefore, its value equal to x equal to minus 3. Here x equal to positive 3. So instead of 3, any number we can say, so that x equal to minus k. So this is the straight line parallel to y-axis. In from your 10th syllabus on already you discussed equation of a straight line parallel to y-axis. Then its value x equal to k. Here x equal to minus k. We can say x equal to plus or minus k. Instead of this k, we can use the number 3. We can use the number 3. So dear students, just take the observation. From this observation, we can say x equal to plus or minus k. Then x equal to, instead of plus or minus k, we have plus or minus 3. In the previous question, here x-axis, 2 units from the x-axis. Therefore, we can already discuss y equal to plus or minus k. Instead of k, we have 2 units. So dear students, just take down the question. We already discussed in your 10th syllabus. So now see the observations. This is the locus of the point P. So we are selecting always P of x1 comma y1 lies on this line. We can select a point here also. So see the observation, take down the notes very clearly. In the same model we have another question. In the same model we have another question. Take down the question clearly. Take down the question clearly. After that, take down the explanation. Find the points. Find the points on the locus. Find the points on the locus of points. Find the points on the locus of points that are 3 units from x-axis. 3 units from x-axis and 5 units from the point 5,1. Listen carefully. In the previous video we already discussed find the points on the locus of the points. This is the new concept. That are 3 units from x-axis. Just now we discussed 3 units from x-axis. And one more distance. 5 units from a fixed point 5,1. So we are going to take down 2 logics here. Listen this diagrammatic explanation. Listen this diagrammatic explanation. See, I am drawing a simple explanation. Diagrammatic explanation means we are having simple explanations. Now this is origin 0, 0. 3 units from x-axis. Therefore, from this x-axis, I am taking 0, 3. A line passing to the point 0, 3. So 3 units from x-axis. Now I am selecting a point of, in general, P of h, k on this line. So it has a distance 5,1 is a fixed point. Select A of 5,1. From this point to this distance is 5 units. That is the logic given. That is the logic given. This is A of 5,1. This is P of h, k in general. P of h, k. So it has a distance of 5 units from the point 5,1 that is given in your question itself. Already it has 3 unit distance. This distance is 3 units. Now listen. 3 units means just now I am explaining. This is 0, 3. Again the next point should be 1, 3. Again 2, 3. Like this going on. Therefore this point must be h, 3. Is y value is fixed. Y value is here fixed. This must be h, 3. Now listen. From this diagram, AP equal to 5 units. As per this diagram, AP equal to 5 units. What is the meaning of AP? It is nothing but distance between 2 points. It is nothing but distance between 2 points. H minus 5 the whole squared plus 3 minus 1 the whole squared. From your 10th syllabus onwards, you are using the distance between 2 points. So h minus 5 the whole squared, 3 minus 1 the whole squared. It is already given 5 units. Our aim to remove root family. Therefore, squaring both sides, it should be x minus 5 the whole squared. So 3 minus 1, 2 squared, it will become 4 equal to 5 square means 25. We are able to expand this one. So h squared minus 5 2s are 10h. Then plus 5 squared becomes 25. Then one more 4 equal to 25. Your LHS 25, RHS also having 25. The remaining is h squared minus 10h plus 4 equal to 0. So dear students, up to this, take the observation. See the concept. A is a fixed point 5, 1. P of h, 3. How we are selecting these 3? 3 units distance from x-axis. This is the line passing through 0, 3. So it must be h, 3 only. Always it has 3 units from the x-axis. So now P of h, 3, A 5, 1. So we are having the distance. This is also given in your question itself. AP equal to 5 units. Here AP means it is nothing but the distance between 2 points. H minus 5 the whole squared, 3 minus 1 the whole squared. Then avoiding this root, squaring both sides, h minus 5 the whole squared, 3 minus 1 becomes 2, 2 squared becomes 4, we can get 5 square is 25. Then expanding this one, we can get h squared minus 10h plus 25 plus 4. Already we are having one more 25. 25 should be removed. Therefore h squared minus 10h plus 4 equal to 0. Now it is a quadratic equation. This is not able to factorize. Then we are having formula method to factorize. What is the formula? Minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. We already used in your 10th syllabus. So this is not able to factorize. Then using the formula minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now we are going to substitute the datas. Just substitute the datas. See the concept here. Minus b. B means here already minus 10. So minus of minus becomes positive 10. Plus or minus square root of b squared. 10 squared is 100. Minus 4 into the value of a is 1. The value of c is 4. Divided by 2 into a. If you want, you can write here a equal to 1. B equal to minus 10. C equal to 4. From this quadratic equation, you can select a equal to 1, b equal to minus 10, c equal to 4. Now simplifying this one, 10 plus or minus square root of 100 minus 16 divided by 2 is multiplication with 1, we can get to 2. So we can write 10 plus or minus square root of 100 minus 16, we can get 84 divided by 2. 84 divided by 2. So we can write like this, 10 divided by 2 plus or minus, I can split like this. This 84 can be written in the form of 4 times 21. Here square root divided by 2. So 10 divided by 2 we can get 5. Again plus or minus, I can write like this, 2 root 21 divided by 2. These 2 will be removed. Therefore I can say 5 plus or minus root of 24. This is the value of h. This is the value of h. So this is the equation we are deriving. It is a quadratic equation we are deriving. This quadratic equation directly not able to factorize. Therefore minus b plus or minus, use the formula. Then substitute the data. We can get like this. This 84 can be split into 4 into 21 divided by 2. 4, we are able to take the root. Again 2 will be removed. H equal to 5 plus or minus root 21. Now listen. So the value of h, since we are getting a quadratic equation, so that we are getting 2 values of h. Therefore h equal to 5 plus root 21 and 5 minus root 21. This plus or minus can be written. See here p h comma 3. So instead of this h we are getting 2 values. Therefore points are, instead of h, 5 plus root 21 comma 3 and 5 minus root 21 comma 3. This is the required point on this locus. So this is the locus. This point we are having 2 points. What is 5 plus root 21 comma 3, 5 minus root 21 comma. These 2 points lie on this line. So that we are getting 2 points. In the same way, we have one more concept. Just listen. After this, I can explain. Now listen students. So far we discussed we are getting a value of AP, then H equal to 5 plus root 21, then and 5 minus root 21. Therefore, the value of H must be changed. One value is 5 plus root 21 comma 3, another one is 5 minus root 21 comma 3. This is the points. Now we have one more idea. Now listen carefully. We have one more idea. Just 3 units from the x-axis. We already discussed 3 units from the x-axis. Here we are selecting. Suppose here this must be also a 3 units from x-axis. We can consider like this. Now listen carefully. Now I am taking a point P here. This point P must be considered to be H comma minus 3. In the previous video only we discussed. See here, this point must be 0 comma minus 3. 0 comma minus 3. So all the points lie on this straight line having the y coordinate as minus 3. Therefore, this is considered to be H comma minus 3. Now we are taking, instead of this, now we are considering this point A of 5 comma 1. The distance between these two is also 5 units. That is the second logic. In the first logic, we are taking H comma 3 has a distance from 5 comma 1 is 5 units. Here, the same concept. From this 5 comma 1, P of H comma minus 3, that distance is also 5 units. Now we need, what is the concept? Now we are going to take here AP equal to 5. What is the meaning of AP here? Once again, distance between these 2 points, square root of H minus 5, the whole squared, plus once again, minus 3, already one having minus 3 minus 1 the whole squared equal to 5. So this is the distance between 2 points, H minus 5 the whole squared plus minus 3 minus 1 the whole squared equal to 5. Our aim, we are going to simplify this equation. How we are able to simplify this equation? See this one, squaring both sides. If we are squaring both sides, we can get x H minus 5 the whole squared plus minus 3 minus 1, we can get minus 4. Minus 4 squared becomes 16 is equal to 25. So already we are having 5. If we are able to square this one, we can get 25. In this other side, root and square will be removed. H minus 5 the whole squared minus 3 minus 1 it becomes minus 4 squared becomes 16. This is equal to 25. Now we are able to expand this one. H squared minus 5 2s are 10H, then plus 25, then one more 16 equal to 25. Now this 25 will be removed. Now we are getting a quadratic equation. H squared minus 10H plus 16 equal to 0. Now we are getting a quadratic equation like this. In the previous concept also we are getting a quadratic equation. Here also we are getting a quadratic equation. Now it can be factorized. We are getting 16. If any two numbers multiplication we can get 16. Then the simplification we can get minus 10. Therefore I can write like this, H minus 2 and H minus 8 equal to 0. These are the two factors. From this I can get the values of H. I can get the value of H equal to 2 and H equal to 8. H equal to 2 and H equal to 8 we can get. Now listen, this is the point already we have deciding. This point is P of H comma minus 3. I am already discussing this one. Instead of H, I can use this point. Therefore the points are, what are the points here? H 2 comma minus 3. Another one point is 8 comma minus 3. So here students, we are getting another 2 points. 2 comma minus 3, 8 comma minus 3. In the previous discussion also, we are getting 2 points. But the logic is here, AP, that is the distance between AP. P is lies in here, H comma 3, this is the concept. Because this line having H comma 3, 3 is the fixed value. This line having h comma minus 3, that is the logic we are taking. So here the distance is common. AP is 5. Then use the distance formula. Then avoiding the root family. Then we can get to the quadratic equation. Then if the quadratic equation straight away, here we can factorizable. So h minus 2, h minus 8. Therefore the values of h equal to 2 and h equal to 8. Therefore the points are 2 comma minus 3. Another one is 8 comma minus 3. You can substitute here. Then find out the distance. For example, if you are taking this point 2 minus 3, then 5 minus 1. Find out the distance. It should be 5 units only. You are able to verify. Just listen here. So for example, I am selecting for your verification only. I am giving this explanation. Just you are able to verify this one. See this one. The point, first I am selecting this point 2 comma, here P, 2 comma minus 3. A is a fixed point, 5 comma 1. Find the distance. What is the distance AP? As per the given concept, it should be 5. Check out square root of 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2 the whole square plus 1 minus of minus plus 3 whole square. Then verify this one. 5 minus 2, 3 squared, it becomes 9. 1 plus 3, 4 squared, it becomes 16. See here, we can get square root of 25. That should be 5. See the concept, we are getting the value 5. So distance between 2 points we can use, we are able to get the value of 5. Suppose if you are selecting 8 comma 3, instead of this point 2 comma minus 3, this is 2 comma minus 3, I can select a point 8 comma minus 3. See, only one change. 8 comma minus 3. This is the fixed point 5 comma 1. Now take the distance 5. That means here we are changing 8 minus 5 the whole square. Then already you are having minus 3. So minus 3 minus 1 the whole square. See the concept here. So 8 minus 5, it becomes 3 squared, 9. Minus 3 minus 1, we can get minus 4. Minus 4 squared becomes 16. So here once again you are able to get square root of 25. That must be 5 only. See the distance 5 units. So if you are using the point, the concept, that means the given condition should be satisfied. So you can select any 2 points. This is on this line. That means this line is 3 units from x-axis. This line is also 3 units from the x-axis. One line lies on the positive side, another one is lies in the negative side. It has 3 units, it has 3 units. But point wise, it is to be 0 comma minus 3. Therefore, consider the point P h comma minus 3. Here point is 0 comma 3. Therefore, the point is h comma 3. That is the only difference. It is h comma 3, h comma minus 3. But the distance is same only. So, dear students, take down the logics and take down the diagrammatic explanation. Then only you are able to analyze, because it is an analytical geometry. The topic itself, you are having the beautiful name, analytical geometry. Therefore, you have to, all the diagrammatic explanation, you have to analyze in terms of x and y, in terms of the algebraic expressions. So, we can get the beautiful concept derivations also. Now, listen students, we are having one more question. If Q is a point, if Q is a point on the locus of x squared plus y squared plus 4x minus 3y plus 7 equal to 0. If Q is a point on the locus of x squared plus y squared plus 4x minus 3y plus 7 equal to 0. Find the equation of the locus of, find the equation of locus of the point P which divides the line segment, which divides the line segment OQ externally in the ratio, externally in the ratio 3:4, where O is the origin, Listen, this concept also you discussed in your 10th syllabus. See, a point which divides a line segment internally and externally. We already discussed in your 10th syllabus itself. Now listen, which divides the line segment OQ externally in the ratio 3:4. This is the logic behind in this question. So already we are having one equation, that is the Q is a point on the locus of x squared plus y squared plus 4x minus 3y plus 7. This is the given question itself. We are having one equation. Then again we have to find another equation of the locus of P which divides the segment, line segment OQ externally in the ratio 3:4. Now listen students. Now in your lower classes 9th or 10th standard you discussed internally and externally a point. Just recalling this concept. For example, I am taking a line segment here. I am taking a line segment A, B, A of x1, y1, B of x2, y2. A point P, just I am selecting a point P, which divides the line segment in the ratio L:m. So P divides the line segment AB internally. See here, internally. In the ratio L:m. Now what is the meaning of P here? So Lx2 plus Mx1 divided by L plus M, comma, Ly2 plus My1 divided by L plus M. You already discussed in your lower classes. P is a point which divides the line segment AB internally in the ratio. Then we can discuss this is internally. Suppose the point P divides the line segment externally. It should be in the outside. Already we know this is internally. Suppose the point lies externally. So the point lies externally. Then what is the value of P here? Lx2 minus Mx1 divided by L minus M. Then Ly2 minus My1 divided by L minus M. We already well known formula from your 10th syllabus. We already used this concept many areas. Here, what is the concept? We need externally. Therefore, the point P divides the line segment externally in the ratio. Now we take down this concept here. Read the question. Q is a point. First they are giving this idea. OQ. Here OQ. O is the origin. Already they are giving in your question itself where O is the origin. Q is an unknown point. I can select A, B. In the ratio L:m, instead of this L:m, they are giving 3:4. Whether internally or externally means already they are giving externally. I have been giving externally. So take down this concept. Dear students, P divides the line segment OQ externally in the ratio 3:4. So I am going to substitute this data. Here L is said to be 3, M is said to be 4. Then this is x1, y1, this is x2, y2. Consider this is x1, y1 and x2, y2. Now I am going to substitute here. Now see here, P of Lx2. L means here 3. What is the value of x2? A minus M. What is the value of M here? 4. Then 0. Lx2 minus Mx1. x2 here A, x1 here 0. Now substitute this data, that's all. Comma, Ly2, once again L is 3, y2 is B, minus M is 4, again 0, divided by, here also divided by 3 minus 4, here also we can get 3 minus 4. So just simplifying this one, we can get P equal to See 3a, it becomes 0. Here 3 minus 4 becomes minus 1, comma, here 3b divided by minus 1. Therefore, I can say p equal to minus 3a, comma, minus 3b. Minus 3a, comma, 3b. So, dear students, just listen. P divides this line segment externally in the ratio. Now, we are able to find out the value of p. P of minus 3a, comma, minus 3b. In general, what is the value of p? Always we are selecting p is x1, comma, y1. Therefore, let us consider p of x1, comma, y1 is equal to minus 3a, comma, minus 3b. Just to compare this one, x1 equal to minus 3a. From this, a equal to x1 divided by minus 3. The same concept, y1 is equal to, we can compare this one, y1 equal to minus 3b. Therefore, b equal to y1 divided by minus 3. So, we are able to get the value of a and b. Now, listen. What is the meaning of q? The point q of a comma b lies on the locus. Therefore, we can say the point q of a comma b lies on the equation x squared plus y squared plus 4x minus 3y plus 7 equal to 0. Therefore, the point q of a comma b lies on the equation x squared plus y squared plus 4x minus 3y plus 7 equal to 0. Therefore, we can substitute a comma b here. This equation becomes a squared, then y becomes b squared plus 4 times a minus 3 times b plus 7 equal to 0. Now, we have to substitute the value of a comma b here and then substitute the value of a. What is the value of a here? Minus x1 by 3 the whole squared. Then plus the value of b. Value of b is minus y1 divided by 3 the whole squared. Then 4a. 4a is value of minus x1 by 3. Then 3b. See, minus 3 times the value of b minus y1 by 3, then plus 7 equal to 0. So, dear students, just replace the value of a comma b here. A is replaced by minus x1 by 3 the whole squared, b is replaced by minus y1 by 3 the whole squared, then this a is replaced by 4 times minus x1 by 3 minus 3, b is replaced by minus y1 by 3 plus 7 equal to 0. Now we have to simplify this equation. Just simplifying, listen, only one line. We are having x1 squared divided by 9 plus y1 squared divided by 9, then minus 4x1 by 3. 3 will be removed. We can get positive y1 plus 7 equal to 0. It is multiplied by 9 because the denominator having the highest value 9. So we can get x1 squared plus y1 squared. 3 will be removed. Again we can get 12x1 plus 9y1. 9 times 7 we can get 63 equal to 0. Therefore, locus of p of x1 comma y1 is x squared plus y squared minus 12x plus 9y plus 63 equal to 0. This is the required equation of the locus of the point. So, dear students, take down the observation. Here we are using the point divides externally in the ratio L is to M. Instead of L is to M, we are having 3:4. Then we are having one origin 0, 0, another point A, B. Then after find out the values of x1, y1, substitute the data, find A and B. The point Q of A, B lies on the given equation. Substitute the data and substitute A, B. Simplify, you can get the equation. Therefore, dear students, so far we completed all the problems in exercise number 1. We are going to discuss the second exercise from tomorrow onwards. Thank you.